crafty people, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way of making a slip knot. So a slip knot is the first stitch on your hook that you need to get on there in order to do anything else, like a chain, any other stitch. So how do you make a slip knot? Grab your yarn, and you've got your tail end and the working end of the yarn. Twist the yarn so you make a loop with the working end on top of the tail end. Now you can grab your hook and go into that stitch or into that loop, and you just hold that cross section, just hold it together so it doesn't all fall apart, and you grab that other portion of the working yarn, and then you pull it all together. And now you've got a giant loop. So what do? Well, you've got the end tail and you've got the working tail. Grab the working tail and pull on it, which will close up that loop. So let's do that again. To undo your slip knot, just remove your hook and pull the two tails apart, and they'll come apart like it's nobody's business. So let's do that again. Fold that over, working yarn on top of the tail, pinch the cross section, go into the loop and hook that working tail and pull it through the loop. Now you can pinch the end tail and the working tail together and pull it taut so that you create the knot. You've got a giant loop, pull the working yarn, that'll close the giant loop into the correct size loop for your hook. That's it. I hope this helps.